Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to track your deliverables using Collably. To start tracking deliverables, you will need to first ensure you have an active collaboration created. If you want to learn how to create a collaboration, you can check out my earlier video that describes the process. Let's get started. There are two ways to start tracking a deliverable. You can either navigate to Deliverables section from the settings and click on New Deliverable button on the top right corner, or you can navigate to the collaboration profile under which you want to track a deliverable. Then scroll down to Deliverable section and click on Add Deliverable button. Both the options will take you to the same new deliverable screen. On this screen, first select the campaign under which you want to create a deliverable if not already selected. Provide a title for the deliverable. Then select a type. If your deliverable is related to any social media platform, select the platform in the next drop-down. Scroll down to the Schedule section. This is an important section where you will specify the date by which the delivery is due for this item. This date will be used to calculate overdue status of the deliverable. Provide a starting status for the deliverable. I will leave it in draft, but you can start with approved status directly. Scroll down to Billing section. This is a very important section, as it tracks the financials related to this deliverable. It is the best practice to allocate value per delivery so you can actually look at which deliverable made you more money and which did not. Enter the amount you are expecting to receive against this deliverable and set the currency in which you are expecting the amount. I have added 50,000. Remember, Collably will auto-calculate the amount in your business currency when you save, but you can always override this amount by typing it in manually. I will leave it blank. Scroll down to Content section. Here, you can describe what this deliverable is all about. If your content idea is not clear at the moment, you can leave it blank or add a very high-level description. In my case, I am unsure about my idea of this deliverable, so I have just typed in what my clients ask. If you have any additional notes, you can type those into Notes box. Once done, click on the Create Deliverable button at the bottom. When you save the deliverable, you will be navigated to Deliverable Profile page. Now you can start tracking your client's requirement. It is normal to have multiple iterative discussions on the requirement. Best way is to start documenting them. To do that, scroll down a bit and click on Add Requirement button. You will see a rich text editor. Type in the initial requirement from the client. Once done, click on Save. Your first round of discussion with your client is now captured in this requirement. If you want to update the requirement again, just click on Edit button. It will pop up the same screen, and you can type in the new requirement. However, when you click on Update button, this time Collably will ask you what has changed. You can provide a one-liner description of the change. And click on Save as New Version. This will create a newer version of the requirement. This way, you will be able to track how your requirement has changed over multiple discussions. You can also adjust your billing if the scope of work changes over the discussions. If you want to view the previous versions, click on Version History and select the version you want to view. You might have noticed that this deliverable is still in the draft state. You can change the status to Approved and click on Update Status if your client has approved the deliverable. One last thing I want to show is how your dashboard now shows pending deliverables. To quickly review all of the pending deliverables, you can click on the number, and this will take you to the list of all the pending deliverables. That's it. You have successfully tracked a deliverable on Collably. Thank you for watching.